Hello, my name is Vicki. If you're new here, welcome, and I'm glad you stopped by, and I hope you decide to stay a while and hit that subscribe button. Today is a little bit of a different video. If you've been on my channel before, you know that I watch my granddaughters during the school day. My son and his wife are both school teachers, and we have what we like to call Grammy School. So I have them from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday when they're school. So this morning I'm making breakfast for the girls. It's a little bit different than I typically would do, but I just wanted to share this with you all because this is something that we would have on Christmas morning is cinnamon rolls and hot chocolate. So I'll show you the way I do it or whatever and just share a morning with you a little bit. So I hope you sit back, get you a cup of coffee or hot chocolate and enjoy. Today I'm part of a collab. It's a Christmas breakfast collab. It is hosted by my two sweet friends on YouTube, Melissa from I'm Merely Melissa and Christy from Christy Osborne. Make sure that you check out Melissa's channel. She shares lots of videos about shopping, cooking, cleaning, and organizing. She does a beautiful job and she's a really sweet person. Make sure that you also check out my friend Christy's channel. She is married to a farmer. They live in the South and she has two little girls and they'll soon be building their dream home and you can watch all that on her YouTube channel. I will have both of their channels linked below in the description box as well as the playlist. Now let's get cooking. Today I'm making cinnamon rolls for Amelia. Aubrey ate oatmeal. She loves, let me show you. These little packets of Quaker blueberries cream, bananas and cream. They come in a pack of 4 different flavors. Anyway, she loves those. So she eats those every morning. She loves them. She cries for them. And she likes them. And Amelia is more finicky. She doesn't usually eat much for breakfast. But she helped me make these cinnamon rolls, which they're just the packaged cinnamon rolls. We actually thought they were the kind that unrolls and we can make Christmas trees out of them, but they weren't. Were they, Amelia? So anyway, we're going to have some cinnamon rolls and maybe some hot chocolate for breakfast. So we'll show you what we have here. My recipe for crock-pot hot chocolate, I will leave down in the description box. It makes a lot of hot chocolate, but it's very rich. Like it uses condensed milk, Ghirardelli chocolate chips, cream, or evaporated milk. It's sweet. It's really sweet, but it's good. But I like, and so does Amelia, I buy this Swiss Miss in the carton, and I heat my water up, and it honestly makes the best hot chocolate, don't it, Amelia? And I've got these little jet puffed. They're basically dehydrated marshmallows, and that's what I like to put in mine. But I just heat my milk up and put my Swiss Miss a couple scoops in it. It'll only make 2 mugs, but that's enough for me and her. But anyway, that's what we're going to have for breakfast this morning.
I'm setting this up for packaging.
Okay. So, like I said, all I'm doing is heating my milk up, and I'm using 2% milk. Amelia wants to make her papa some too. So we're doing a pretty good lot of milk. Probably get 3 mugs of hot cocoa out of it. And you just wanna heat this over probably medium to medium high heat. You don't want to boil it. You just want to get it to that almost scalding stage, but I don't let it get that hot because Amelia wants to drink it, and I actually wait till it's almost cold before I give it to her because I don't want her to get burnt. So we'll have to probably add some more scoops to it after it's warmed up and in the mugs, which is fine. Amelia, I think I should have put it in a different cooker. I think I'm gonna have to move it into a different cooker.
Then we're going to put a stick in here and a strap.
Sometimes I don't make the best decisions about that.
This is like
I just take my little mini whisk and whisk it around. Like I said, I've got it on medium high, and we just let it come to almost scalding. Okay, guys, here's our hot cocoa. Perfection. Got it in our little Christmas mug. She even fixed her papa one to take to work with him this morning. And, well, she put the marshmallows in it. Grammy poured the hot cocoa, didn't I, Amelia? Our cinnamon rolls are done. I've got our icing here. Oh no. Icing spoon.
What are you doing, Chad? That's not funny.
Oh my, I think it's hilarious.
I don't think it's hilarious.
You don't?
Yeah.
Why not?
It's just not too funny.
Not too funny.
Bunny, bunny.
You are funny, bunny. Okay, ma'am. I got our cinnamon rolls ready for our buffet.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. She likes to play hotel, and this is her papa's breakfast. I mean, her guest's breakfast.
It's not hard to pick them out, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, do you want 1 or 2 cinnamon rolls?
I think one's all could eat.
Okay. There you go. And your hot cocoa's over there, sir. Okay. Ma'am, I'm going to go ahead and get yours out, and you can let it cool, okay?
Okay.
Now, that's your guest's hot cocoa. This is yours.
Oh,
Your hot
I
cocoa's
know.
in the
I'm
fridge.
taking it to the
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a typical morning at our home with our granddaughters. Have a great day, and God bless you. I hope you'll decide to hit that subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.